Terese and I are back in Disney Springs, and tell them where we're going tonight, Terese.
We're going to Raglan Road tonight.
Yep, it's we've only been here I think twice, but we've enjoyed it, and it's been probably a couple years since we've been. It's right behind us right here, so we're gonna head on over and check it out. We have a reservation in about 15 minutes, so y'all come on along.
Check it out.
So when you walk in here, you kind of come into a foyer, and right off to the right of it is a gift shop. They have a whole variety of, pretty much if you need anything green or Irish themed from Disney, this would be the place to get it. They have a ton of stuff in here. Even if you don't want to buy anything, just to kind of be able to walk around and look at the neat little knickknacks and decorations here. It's nicely done, and it's kind of a cool restaurant just to walk around and look at some of the stuff they have. With Raglan Road being an Irish-style pub, the menu's quite expansive and offers a variety of traditional Irish favorites such as fish and chips, shepherd's pie, just to name a few. They also have a vegan shepherd pie option if that's your jam and you prefer that. Oh, it's also worth mentioning that they have a phenomenal bread pudding here, but I don't think we're getting that tonight because we have dessert plans elsewhere. And on the back of the menu, you'll see their selection of drinks and beverages. Well, I'd say Polite Pig has the best whiskey and bourbon options at Disney Springs. City Works has the best beer selection at Disney Springs. Raglan Road still has a very nice selection of both, from local breweries to imports on beer, along with a decent selection of Irish, Scotch, and American whiskeys. Alright, so you'll notice we're sitting on the same side. We kind of decided against that after watching our own last couple videos, but here we are again. But there's a good reason tonight. They have entertainment, they have the Irish dancers, as well as live music, and we got a really good seat, so I'm fixing to spin it around here and show you. And it is literally right there is the stage where the Irish stepper will come out in a little while, and then of course there is the music. So right away they bring us some malt vinegar and ketchup for the fries. We get a couple slices of bread right here, which looks absolutely delicious. And then of course they give us a Guinness reduction to dip that in. So we're fixing to give it a shot. Yeah, I don't know how to describe it. It's very sweet, but it makes the bread moist, which is it's a dense bread anyway, which I appreciate. So I enjoy it. I think it's really, really good. Great start to dinner. So I ordered the OMG burger. This burger is made with dry-aged prime short rib and beef brisket. It's topped with Irish bacon, Dubliner Irish cheddar, crispy fried onions, and Jameson Irish whiskey barbecue sauce. The price was $24.50, and since I'm not a fan of onions, so I ordered it without the crispy fried onion. And right next to me, Terese ordered the fish and chips, which is their famous premium North Atlantic cod, beer battered and served with chips and fresh tartar sauce. The price for that is $28, and you can ask your server for a gluten-free option if you prefer that. You'll also notice that Guinness reduction right above the plate there is gone. That stuff was delicious. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and cut my burger. I did order it medium, so let's see what it looks like. It might be a little more done than that, but it does look delicious nonetheless. I'm going to go ahead and take a bite. Yeah, that burger is phenomenal. It's you can tell more or less it's like it says it's made out of brisket, the patty is, and it's not a dense patty. It's if that makes sense, you can tell it's kind of a hand pressed patty, and yeah, you get the sweetness of the jam, you get the cheese. So really, really good burger. One of my favorites on property, and it hadn't disappointed me.
Okay, so here's my fish. Ooh, let me try not to make a mess. But it's very, very flaky. The batter is a beer batter. Look at that thing smoking right there. And it already takes my fish. That's good fish.
Fish good batter?
That is so good. It's hot, crispy. It's good fish. It's very fresh. Fries are just your regular chips. They're good too.
All right, we're gonna enjoy dinner. So there's still that much food left. So yeah, ton of food left.
Fish was good.
I couldn't finish my fries. The hamburger was excellent. Therese still has a ton of food left on her plate. I knew when we started eating that bread at the beginning of my meal, it was going to do us in, and it did. So we were going to get a dessert, but I think we may pass on that for now. We're going to wrap up here, and we'll bring you along to the next stop. And as a bonus tonight, since we're making our way to the west side, we're going to stop off and get us some ice cream for dessert, which is why we did not get dessert at Raglan Road earlier. We love it, but it's been a while since we've been here. So along with their classic flavors each month, Salt and Straw has limited edition flavors, usually to some kind of theme. And this month they are the Brewers series, so basically on different types of beer. It's been a while since we've been here, and we love some of their classic flavors. So we may try some of those at the counter, but I think we're going to get classic flavors tonight.
I got the sea salt with caramel ribbons, and I got the Panther coffee.
Tres leche.
Yes. She put the Panther coffee on the bottom and put my caramel ribbon on the top here. Some good stuff.
And I also got the Panther coffee Tres leche, but I got mine in a cup. So I can not have to eat one off before I eat the other. Like Therese, I can go back and forth. And the other one is the salted, malted, chocolate chip cookie dough.
Sure.
I think is what it's called. So we tried a couple of the other flavors. They'll let you try as many as you want in there for free. And so you can kind of go through, test them out and see. And this cup is actually one scoop as two. You can get one scoop to go in here, or you can split it and do basically 2 half scoops. And it's still a healthy size cup of ice cream. You have to like coffee and Tres leche to like that Panther coffee, but Panther coffee is, I think, a local coffee made here in Florida. But the cookie dough ice cream is, without a doubt, the best cookie dough ice cream I've ever eaten.
A timeless adventure is about to unfold, inspired by the magic makers, heroes, and dreamers who have come before. Soar.
Here we go! There it is, Wendy. Second star to the right, straight on till morning. Look! Look, Riggedy! You're flying! You're flying! Wait till we get to the big town!
report in.
Red 5 standing by.
Fire, coming in, point 3. Watch that crossfire, boys. Watch it, you've got one on the tail. I have you now. Come in, primary again.
Use the force. The force is strong, little one.
You're all clear, kid. Now let's pull this thing and go home.
The force will be with you.
Hello, I am Baymax, your personal healthcare companion. Baymax, wings. Thrusters.
Hey, you know what? There's another name you might know me by.
To the Guardians of the Galaxy.
Dance off, bro.
Infinity and beyond.
And with a leap of faith, you might find yourself.
Remember, there's no limits to how far you can go when you have dreams that soar.
All right, that's going to do it for us tonight at Disney Springs. I hope you enjoyed dinner, dessert, and a show with us. Got anything to add?
No, everything was great tonight. I love Raglan Road. We met up with some family and we had a good night. Let's go. Good night.
Good night.